Welcome to Boston and welcome to Baseball Night in America and Fenway Park for a World Series rematch between the Los Angeles Dodgers and the Boston Red Sox. After the Red Sox took the opener last night 8-1, we get ready for Game 2 of this weekend series.
With Chris Taylor to lead it off, then Justin Turner, and one of the guys you talked about coming back from the IL, David Freese out of the 3 spot doing the DHing. Chris Sale, 17 and 18, his first 2 seasons in Boston, had the #1 earned run average in the American League at 2.5. Sale comes home with a payoff, and Taylor watches ball 4 off of the inside corner to start the night with a walk. With a leadoff walk, and now Sale to Turner with a 2-2. Got him swinging. Even with the struggles Chris Sale has had, he's still second in the American League in strikeouts.
With the slider to get the strikeouts.
Goes with a fastball to the inside corner to get Freese looking, and he's got back-to-back Ks here in the first. Oh, dribbler. Sale's got it, and not in time at first as Bellinger beats it out. One of the many reasons he's seen the numbers go up this season, a bunch of infield hits for Cody Bellinger. This one keeping this first inning alive. 2 on and 2 out. Cracks one over first into right for a base hit. Betts up with it. Here comes his throw home. It's up the line, and an RBI single for A.J. Pollock to open the scoring. But the Dodgers take advantage of Bellinger's 2-out infield single. And on a 2-2, Max Muncy swings and misses to retire the side, but the Dodgers get the first run of the night. 1-0 to the bottom of the first. Mookie Betts to lead things off, then Devers and Bogarts. Martinez, Benintendi, and Vasquez through the heart of the lineup. Brock Holt at second base. Sandy Leon does the catch. They face off with Ross Stripling, who started the season in the rotation, then into the bullpen for a couple months. This would be his 4th start since returning to the rotation with Rich Hill's injury. So now payoff and a pop fly into left center field. A.J. Pollock is there, and Betts is out number 1. Plays the bunt down, and he's got an infield hit. All-star for the 2nd time. Takes strike 3. Stripling drops a curveball to the knees for out number 2. Devers takes off on a fastball that misses up. They got him at second. Alex Cora saying hold on, let's take a look at this, but for now Austin Barnes has thrown out Devers. You'll get a look first. Dodgers by a run, 2nd inning. Here's a payoff pitch. Hernandez swings and misses at a back foot breaking ball.
And this is a ball right out of his hand. Watch Barnes. He barely even flinches at 97. Because why? It's a ball right away. He knows, stop.
Gets him swinging here. He's got 5 Ks through 2, but he's had to burn a lot of bullets already. And they set such high bars for themselves last year. That's in the air to right for Cody Bellinger. And Martinez the first out. 2-2. Got him swinging with a fastball, and Ross Stripling with a 1-2-3 second. Right back after a word from our local sponsors. Turner goes after the first pitch and hammers the ball to left and gone. Ambushing Chris Sale and launching a home run to make it 2-0. Eleventh of the season for Justin Turner. Backdoor to get Freese looking. Number 6 for Sale as we look back at the home run from Turner. Bellinger swings at the first pitch, knifes one to third, got an infield single his first time, and so Devers knew he had to hurry. Got it over there in time to get Bellinger. Turner's home run makes it 2-0 Los Angeles. The bottom third of the Red Sox lineup against Ross Stripling. Brock Holt swings away and bangs a base hit into right center. So on the first pitch of the third, Holt with a base hit.
And Brock Holt is swinging the first pitch all the
Stripling
time.
to Leon with another 1-2. Got him swinging with a changeup. Bradley gets a great jump, pitches up and away, and no chance for Austin Barnes.
Jackie Bradley Jr. has been itching to go, and he guesses right. He just didn't trust himself.
Another 3-2 and a pinpoint fastball for Ross Stripling to get Mookie Betts looking, straining a man at second.
And then more stress on the Red Sox bullpen.
Perfect pitch to the inside corner to get him one gone. Muncy yanks one to right, down the line. It'll drop in for a base hit. Goes after the first one. That is a fair ball. Vasquez calmly to second. And, whoa, not quite as calm on that end of it. But he's able to get the foot in there before Seager to end the inning. The ball tends to find you when you play at a spot you're not used to, doesn't it? American League this year in OPS. Trout, J.D. Martinez, Mookie Betts, Alex Bregman, and then it's Bogarts. Lifts the ball to left towards the monster, and he's done it again. Off with a light standard for a solo shot. Number 19 of the season for Xander Bogaerts in a 2-1 game in the fourth. '23 home runs a year ago, 19 this season already. That's a fastball to get Martinez looking. 2 out. He's down on strikes here to finish off the fourth. For the Red Sox on the board, Xander Bogaerts continues his monster season with his 19th home run.
Dropped down almost 5 miles an hour since the first couple innings.
Hernandez grounds a base hit into left to open the fifth. He's as good as anybody. It's inside and actually clips Barnes, and the first two have reached. 8 and 9 in the Dodger order. 2 guys that are in the bottom 10 in the National League. 2 on, nobody out. Chris Taylor launches a ball to right center field. Jackie Bradley moves over to the gap to put it away. Hernandez takes third, and they're at the corners with 1 gone. It's kind of human nature, isn't it? In any job, any walk of life. Turner towards the left field corner. That's a base hit up against the monster. Hernandez in to score. Turner to second with an RBI double. He's driven in 2 tonight. The Dodgers lead at 3-1. Delivers 2-2. Freese yanks a fair ball down the line. He tried to come inside again. Freese made the adjustment and drove home 2 with a double. Dodgers lead at 5-1.
First one would be 100 miles an hour.
Bellinger to right center field. Mookie Betts makes the catch. Freese headed for third. 2 gone.
And normally it would be up and in to a lefty or inside to a lefty.
Hands it off to Heath Hembree, who's been a big part of what success the Red Sox bullpen has been able to muster this year. Look out. Polly gets hit. And this inning kept alive. On top of the modern swing. Muncy down swinging. But the Dodgers strike for 3. David Freese and Justin Turner both coming up with big 2-strike hits against Chris Sale. And halfway home with the Dodgers in front 5-1. Stripling gets him swinging with a changeup.
And which team are they?
That's muscled into right center for a base hit for Holt. That's top back to the mound. Ross Stripling will shovel it on to first, and for the first time in this return to the rotation, he's gone 5 full innings.
Colton Brewer
On a 1-2 pitch, he takes it in the dirt. That kicks away from Leon, and into scoring position goes Hernandez. Losing streak, but they've got 5 already tonight. Barnes chases one in the dirt. He's out number 2.
An ice bath from all the breaking balls in the dirt.
Off the end of the bat, behind first, Vasquez backs up on it and makes the catch to end the inning. Dodgers leave a couple. Top of the order coming up for the Red Sox.
Off to a rocky start as a Dodger, Joe Kelly, but
Bats shoots one to right for a leadoff hit. Facing his old team here, bringing a 3-1 pitch to Bogaerts. Betts runs again. A swing and a miss. A throw down, and Betts is stolen second. Now he springs to his feet and will take third, which is a big deal with one gone. 3-2 pitch. Shot over first. It's a fair ball. And an RBI hit for Xander Bogaerts. Betts scores. It's 5-2. Kelly with a peek over the shoulder and an 0-1 pitch. Gets in on him. Rolled against the shift. The only play is for Hernandez at first, and Martinez is out number 2. Payoff pitch. He walked him, and Boston gets the tying run to the plate in the 6th. Another 0-2. Wow, that would be up the ladder, and then some. Up to second and third they go. He struck him out with a fastball to the top of the zone, and Joe Kelly able to limit the damage. He's activated at the end of June after an 80-game PED suspension. He is another guy that they hope. Bellinger injured his shoulder playing first base earlier this season. Turns on this ball and launches one into the Boston night. A mammoth home run for Cody Bellinger, and the Dodgers lead at 6-2.
Feet past where he just hit it.
Pollock reaches out, digs this one to left towards the monster, and gone. Bellinger and Pollock go back to back. And the Dodgers expand the lead a little more on Pollock's 3rd home run of the season. So there's one of those guys fresh off of the IL, plugged right into this Dodger lineup. A total of 7 runs during the 4-game losing streak, have 7 tonight. Muncy hits it right back off of Stephen Wright, and he's got an infield single. Red Sox bigger concern is about Wright. It's going to do it for him. Back-to-back home runs, and then a base hit off his foot. Marcus Walden comes on to pitch here. He gets as much time as he needs to get ready following the injury.
Luckily, Boston does.
2-2. Seager taps it back to the mound. They get the out at first. Nobody home at third. Max Muncy sees and forces the errant throw, wreaking havoc to bring home another run. Dodgers lead at 8-2 thanks to the hustle from Max Muncy. Another 3-2. Hernandez walks. Here's another 3-2. Barnes hits a high fly ball to left field that sends Benintendi back to the track. At the wall, can't get it. Barnes headed for third. Benintendi's throw dies before it gets there, and the Dodgers have a 9-2 lead.
25 years as the ball boy.
Wow. Taylor bounces one left side. Bogaerts with a backhand pickup, able to get him and finish the inning. The Dodgers strike for 4. They get home runs from Bellinger and Pollock. They get a couple more. Best defensive player of the inning for the Red Sox is seated up there. And Julio Urias comes into the game for the Dodgers with plenty of cushion to work with. Ground ball to second. Kike Hernandez. That became a goal of his when he took over the Angels to make Mike Trout of that mold. Bradley lifts the ball to right. Cody Bellinger will camp under it. And Julio Urias has a 1-2-3 seventh. And Ryan Brazier comes on for Boston.
He had a great year. This year, pressure goes up.
Turner lifts the ball to left field. Benintendi to the warning track. Turns and watches it hit off of the monster. Turner into second with a double. It's a 3-hit game for him. Home run and 2 doubles.
It was like rapid fire home runs.
Right. Peterson sends one to right center field. Betts back on it to the edge of the track. He's got it. Turner to third. Fly to center field and should be plenty deep enough to bring home Justin Turner. Dodgers have a 10 spot. Bellinger drives in another. Now 73 total this year, trailing just Josh Bell.
And 2 productive outs for the Dodgers.
And Urias worked a very quick 7th inning. Comes home with a 1-2. And gets Betts looking. 1 gone. And Mookie. Urias like a warm knife through butter here in the 8th.
Velasquez, much like Ross Stripling, like you said, Joe, back and forth from the rotation.
Trade a day. Fly ball to center field. Jackie Bradley to the warning track, to the wall, and gone. Home run Max Muncy, and they lead it 11-2 on Muncy's 23rd. Fourth one for the Dodgers tonight. Travels 415 feet off of the bat of Muncy. I mean, I'm just trying to go along with your case. You seem surprised he kept it. Seager down on strikes, 1 away.
Well, no, he wants to stay in the park. He doesn't want to get ejected.
Dribbler along third. Chavis offline. Hernandez on for the 4th time. Infield single here. Barnes takes strike 3, 2 out.
The way Sale has pitched his whole career.
Taylor down swinging, finishing this 9th inning. Muncy adds a run with a homer to the bottom of the 9th. We go at Fenway. JT Chargois comes on to pitch the bottom of the 9th inning with the Dodgers up 11-2. Knowing that they've got an uphill climb in the division. Grounded to short, Corey Seager. And knowing what they've got coming up, they want to gather some momentum going into this stretch.
Kenley Jansen
carves out a fly ball to left field. Chris Taylor, plenty of room. And 2 up, 2 down in the 9th for Chargois. Punch to first. Muncy's got it. He'll feed Chargois, and that does it. Couple blowout games in this series this weekend in the World Series rematch. Red Sox 8-1 on Friday night. Dodgers 11-2 here in Game 2. 3 hours 40 minutes to complete it. Dodgers end their 4-game losing streak. The Red Sox 5-game winning streak comes to an end.